Hello, I'm Denis Mulligan, and I'm the General Manager for the Golden Gate Bridge, Highway, and Transportation District. Here at the Bridge District, we're entrusted with maintaining this iconic structure you see behind me here. But in addition to the bridge, we operate bus and ferry service because our goal is to keep people moving, connecting San Francisco to the North Bay. It's vital for our economy and our way of life here in the community. So today I'll walk you around the district, I'll show you what we're up to for 2018, and I'll start here at Vista Point at the north end of the Golden Gate Bridge. Vista Point is a roadside rest stop owned by Caltrans with 121 parking spots. When times are busy with tourists, those parking spots fill up and traffic backs up on the bridge, impacting traffic on 101 in the west side of San Francisco. So to keep traffic moving, we're partnering with Caltrans to restrict Vista Point to just tour buses during those busy periods. So if you want to come visit the bridge, hop on a tour bus or ride your bike or walk. Converting to all electronic tolling 5 years ago was another way we significantly improved traffic flow. And it will soon be time for another upgrade here at the toll plaza. Our engineers are designing a new overhead tolling structure that will be located right here just south of the existing toll plaza. Similar to the toll plaza, but without all the columns and booths in between. There'll be a column right here, then one out in the roadway protected by the barrier. The overhead structure will support all the new toll equipment, so it'll be much safer for our workers to maintain. The current toll plaza will remain in place, providing redundancy in the system. We'll consider removing the toll booths as part of a future toll plaza modernization project, but that's several years away. And don't worry, we'll always have a place of honor for our beloved Art Deco clock. As you pass through the toll plaza in July, you'll notice another change. Tolls will be going up by 25 cents. This is the last step in a multi-year toll plan that was approved by our board of directors several years ago. Later this year, we'll look at a toll and other rate structures in our costs and plan for the future. Your toll dollars fund maintenance, operations, and capital projects on the bridge. They also reduce bridge congestion by subsidizing our bus and ferry transit system. In one of the biggest structural projects undertaken since the bridge was built, our engineers have been working hard to complete a seismic retrofit upgrade to ensure the bridge's long-term stability should a large earthquake hit the Bay Area. They've conducted extensive testing and are now finalizing the design. 2018 will also see installation begin on the long-awaited suicide deterrent system. We care about the safety of every single visitor to our bridge. The suicide net, as it's commonly called, has been thoughtfully designed so it won't obstruct views, but it will save lives. I often get asked about the painting of the bridge. The lure is that we start at one end of the bridge, then go to the other and start all over again. And that's not true. We paint based on where it's needed. Right now, that's here at the south end of the bridge. We've erected platforms with tents on them so that when we remove the old paint, it doesn't fall in the bay or pollute the pristine environment here at the bridge. But of course, not everyone wants to drive. And so we offer a first-class transit system as an alternative. We have buses that go from Santa Rosa to San Francisco. And we work collaboratively with all of our transit partners to ensure that we have a holistic system that meets bus riders' needs. Here we are at the San Rafael Transit Center. It's used by 9,000 passengers every day. Golden Gate Transit, Marin Transit, Sonoma County, the Airporters, and Greyhound. It's a vibrant transit center. SMART just started service that terminates right across the street. Soon, though, SMART's going to go and construct from there all the way through the site, bisecting it as they go to Larkspur. When that happens, there'll be some disruption, but we're working closely with SMART and others to shoehorn all this operation onto this site on a temporary basis. We'll operate in that temporary basis for several years. Meanwhile, later this year, we'll be working with the city, the community, and others to look at alternatives for a new home for the transit center here or some other site nearby so that we can accommodate all of our customers with first-class service. We're committed to being both fiscally and environmentally responsible here at the Bridge District. I'm standing at our San Rafael bus yard next to brand new electric chargers that our staff installed. We're going to use these in partnership with Marin Transit to operate 2 electric buses they purchased. This will allow us to learn more about this technology in our service area. Additionally, later this year, we'll put into service on a demonstration basis 1 pilot bus. It's a hybrid electric bus that has much lower fuel consumption, much less emissions, and we'll see how that works. And based on those results, we'll have 66 more manufactured in 2019 as part of the greening of our fleet. Also, in the summer of 2016, we converted our entire bus fleet to renewable diesel, which greatly reduces our carbon footprint. Later this summer, we'll on a pilot basis use renewable diesel in one of our ferry boats. This will be the first commuter ferry on San Francisco Bay to use renewable diesel. The last couple years here in the Bay Area, roadway congestion's grown exponentially. It's really tough driving. However, if you look at the waterway behind me here at the Larkspur Ferry Terminal, you see that it's wide open. So ferry ridership is up. More and more people are choosing the boat because it's faster. That's creating problems, though, with overcrowding here at Larkspur. Many trips commonly leave full. So it's time to revisit the number of trips that we operate to and from Larkspur, and we're in the process of acquiring another ferry boat, because our goal is to provide first-class service to our customers. I want to thank all of you for your patronage on the bridge, our buses, and our ferries. And I want to encourage you to send any questions you have to askthegm@goldengate.org. Thank you very much.